In this video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Roblox password. And if this does help you out today, then please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it, and it does help this video get out to more people. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser, or if you're on the phone, you want to open up the Roblox app. The buttons are the same, they could just be in slightly different places, so it depends what platform you do use. But what you want to do if you're using a PC or laptop is come across to roblox.com and then just go ahead and log into your account. And what might happen is they might ask you to do the quick verification check, so the quick puzzle, just to check that you're not a bot or anything like that. And then what's going to happen, it's going to take you to your home screen and your dashboard. So what you're going to want to do from here is click onto your settings icon. So this is actually this gear icon in the top right hand corner. If you are using an app on a mobile device, if you look at the bottom right hand corner, there should be 3 dots. So if you give that a click, and you should have the option to go into settings from there. And then once you get into settings, this way you can come to change your password. All you want to do is make sure you're clicked onto account info. So if you go to the left hand side, you will see the account info tab. And then in this first section here, you can see we've got information about our account, and you can see password. There's a section here which says password. What you want to do is just go to the right and click onto this pencil and paper icon, which says change password. And now what you want to do is just enter your current password. And then you just want to enter the new password that you want to change it to. And re-enter that again underneath like so. And then go ahead, if you have entered that correctly, and click update. This button will highlight update. And you'll see you'll get a success message saying you successfully changed your password. So that's how you do it. I hope you found that helpful. As I say, if you did find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one.